Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to increase comfort during breastfeeding and make the experience easier for both mother and baby. In the beginning, many mothers may feel slight discomfort, but small adjustments can make a big difference. The most important thing is to stay relaxed and not rush the process. Finding the right position is very helpful. When you sit comfortably with proper back and arm support, feeding becomes easier and less tiring. You can use a pillow to support your arms or your baby if needed. Keeping your baby close to your body also helps. When the baby is well positioned, it supports a better latch and smoother feeding. It is also helpful to pay attention to your body. If something feels uncomfortable, gently adjust your position instead of continuing with discomfort. Taking care of yourself is equally important. Staying hydrated, eating well, and taking rest whenever possible can help your body feel better during breastfeeding. A calm environment can also support the process. When you feel relaxed, feeding often becomes more comfortable and natural. Over time, your body adjusts and breastfeeding usually becomes easier. Every mother's experience is different, so move at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.